When people fall into a body of water, they often panic, and that makes the proper response even more important. I try to get people's attention by raising my voice, by shouting, for example. How to react in an emergency. More in this edition of Port is What We Do. The key question is how to rescue a person who's fallen in quickly and safely. For our practical exercise at the Finkenwerder dock, we meet Andreas Huttig of the HPA. For 20 years, he's been helping to make the docks and jetties of the port of Hamburg safe. We go out and conduct safety checks of our facilities twice a month. And my colleagues check the docks themselves and the safety equipment, of course. Together with the DLRG, we simulate an accident. Our protagonist Christopher falls into the water, and my task is to save him as quickly as I can. At first glance, I do it right, but it's the details that count. I put the end of the line down, stand on it, and then I take the rest of the rope and throw the ring to the person who needs rescuing. Then I can pull them in and talk to them. If I need to step back briefly, I can secure the line here, for example, to make sure it doesn't float away, and get more equipment. In addition, you need to raise the alarm and call emergency services. It's absolutely essential to call the emergency services as fast as possible to ensure further medical treatment for the person in question. So you need to tell other people who are near or on the dock that you have an emergency and get them to call for help. The life ring provides Christopher with the safety he needs. Then I get the safety ladder. Getting Christopher up the ladder is quick and easy, without putting myself in danger. What's important, point one, is that you made sure he was safe in the water, holding on to the life ring. You talk to him and tell him what you're going to do. I'm getting a ladder to get you out. Then you come over here, release the catch, take the ladder out, and it's all organized so that one person can do it on their own. Yes, taking out the ladder and placing it is fine for one person. You attach the ladder here. And make sure it's secured here at the side. Then you can guide the person in the water to the ladder, or pull them there if the current is too strong or they're too weak. They have to climb up themselves, but if you make sure the ladder is steady by standing on the top, then you can make it easier. So Hamburg's jetties are well equipped with safety devices. But the dangers of the Elbe shouldn't be underestimated. The Elbe is just like the Rhine. You have a strong current, then you have the tides in addition, and the shipping that creates wake and suction effects. And you have to know that when you go out beyond the piers or jetties, you get into the river current or the tidal flow, and that it's much stronger than between the piers. In addition to the life ring and the ladder, there's also a reaching pole to quickly get people out of the water. At the moment, we have about 70 ladders in place, but we're continually improving our infrastructure. And we're now installing fixed ladders on the sides of the jetties, so that if worst comes to worst, and there are no bystanders around, somebody who falls into the water can save themselves.
Port is what we do.